6 months ago, 5 months ago, and even 7 months ago, there have been news of insecurity all over Ekoma and the environment to the village around those areas. Insecurity have been a problem. So what happened? Not just going after the kidnappers and those people, we started thinking and trying to, discover their financial link and how they carry weapons and so on and so forth. At a time, people from Ekoma told us that helicopter were dropping weapons for them, and after that, kidnappers will increase and they will start attacking. But we were able to link it to Hausa market there, that there is something, transaction going on in Hausa market there. And after 2 weeks, they had riots in Hausa market there. Unfortunately, so many of their businesses were destroyed, and police intervened. Things were calm a little bit.
The reason why we dey riot 9%, we no need kidnappers for this our community. They don't kill us, tire. They don't collect our money. We ask where we get, we don't be tenants. We don't sickness everywhere. No money, no market, nothing. Kidnappers don't do us. So now make us come out, we women of our chief say we don't need any kidnapper. Any kidnapper we don't need. Any corner we don't need kidnapper again. Now what it make us come out where we the riot?
Because yesterday night, woman went 2 weeks, when just bought 2 weeks, they still go carry her for RDLA. They still carry her today. Leave the people out, they cry now.
And now, it took police 3 months to understand what we were saying then. And as I speak to you yesterday, part of the market, police stormed it and they arrested 100 persons there. Up till now, we are waiting for police to tell us what they got from those markets, because explosive devices, bombs, guns, and so many things were said to be there. That was intelligence that was shared. Thank God police is now getting, should I say police is now getting intelligence? Police is now acting on intelligence because they always have intelligence. They know everything that is going on. So yesterday, let us discuss what happened in Ekoma and what is happening from across the country. In your community, in your state, this is not bias. This is not about ethnicity. All this Hausa market, they have been peaceful for decades. But now, organize your vigilante group, go and search Hausa markets. Go and rate Hausa markets. Because if northern Nigeria could be closing cattle markets, they have closed 7 cattle markets now because of the link to terrorism. I want you to open your eyes and understand what could be going on in your cities. So stay with me in this video. Let us discuss what happened.
You are calling Gumi Kaba, working for Absalam, then using a helicopter to go and collect ransom in Kwara, using a helicopter to drop a rifle inside the forest everywhere. You call these people Kaba?
This is Wednesday, the 22nd day of April 2026. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, something happened at Ekoma. Ekoma is in Edo State, particularly, I think, Edo North Senatorial District. So, in Hausa Quarter, Nigerian security operative, particularly the Nigerian police, got intelligence that in Hausa Quarter there are bombs, ammunition, so many things that are there. Though Nigerian police force up to now have not been able to disclose what they got from there. But they arrested 100 persons. They arrested 100 persons and they raided the place. They destroyed the place. Now, for over a month now, for the past 1 month, there have been 7 cattle markets that have been closed in northern Nigeria. You can Google everything I'm saying, okay? There are over 7 cattle markets that have been closed in northern Nigeria, and one of the cattle markets was the one that Nigerian Air Force bombed, and that one was closed 2021. What are they doing in all these cattle markets? They are doing terrorism financing, weapon depot or weapon shed, like they used to keep weapon, use it to pass weapon from one place to the other. Like these are terror link issues. So these people, I don't really know what is wrong. Hausa market, as I know before, right from decades, have been in various places in Nigeria. What they do there is if they bring onions from the northern Nigeria, they will keep onions there. If they bring carrot from northern Nigeria, they will keep it there. They stay there, they do their things there. Like Hausa Quarter used to be a peaceful place right from decades. Until all these terrorists started upgrading their agenda. I know that it has been the agenda right from time, just that in different season, in different time, they have what to do. So these people are now upgrading in taking their conquest to another level. So they are using Hausa markets, cattle markets. This is part of the principle of human shares. So they use a civilian place. Don't be surprised, time to come. If you abandon a church, they will use it. They can use abandoned mosque, or they can even use a mosque that people are using. Like they can use schools. Remember that there is a threat that is ongoing now, as circulated by the Plateau State Hospital, that there is a plan by these people to also come and start kidnapping doctors. Like these people are already doing these principles of human shade. Now, look at how the police destroy the environment. Now, I know that up to now, so many people are still confused. The reason why I'm saying this is because I talk to people every day. I understand the way Nigerians reason and the way they are thinking. So many people don't still know what is going on. They don't still know what is going on because how can you explain everything that is going on right now? How can you explain it? The whole insecurity, the government are unable to stop it. Like, how can you explain? How can you explain it? It's nothing but one agenda. I used to challenge people every time. Go and ask how Egypt was conquered from complete Christian country to Islamic country. Egypt. You see Syria, go and ask how Syria was conquered from complete Christian country to Islamic country. Go and ask what happened to Lebanon. Go and ask what happened to Afghanistan. Ask what happened to Iran. Ask questions. What happened to Morocco? What happened to Algeria? What happened to Niger? Ask questions. What happened to even northern Nigeria? Ask questions. Read your history. This is all about conquest. It's all about conquest. You see, the earlier we wake up and understand what is going on, the better. You can't solve a problem you did not define. I talked about Einstein, the famous scientist that you know. Albert Einstein made a statement that if you give me an hour to solve the problem of the world, I am going to use 59 minutes discovering what the problem is and using 1 minute to solve the problem. Why? Because defining the problem, discovering the problem is more important than trying to solve the problem, because you can't solve. If you are trying to apply solution, apply this, apply that, you can't solve the problem because you don't know you don't know the problem. So you can't invent a solution because you don't know the problem. That is to say that you cannot solve the problem you don't know. Majority of Nigerians don't still know the problem of Nigeria. Incompatibility has led to some set of interest to think that, no, I am not compatible with this. So we have to conquer and make ourselves to become like others. Make others to become like ourselves, sorry. Every other people have to become like ourselves. We need to map our plan to conquer them. This was because of incompatibility. Now, I know it's a global problem. It's not a problem happening only in Nigeria. It's a global problem. But you see what the step Britain is about to take, because Britain is gone. But something is about to happen in Britain in the next election. You will see the crisis that will come in Britain because so many people will be captured, packed, and be deported. You understand? Every country now, look at what is happening in Sweden. They are rising up to say no. And unfortunately, most of them will not be able to fight this. But they are about to put up a state fight. You understand? That is because the country is their own, so they can fight a little bit. But in Nigeria, you are in the same country with these people, sharing in the same country with them, you are gone. So the solution that people could talk is now to disintegrate the country. Ojukwu then saw this. Decades ago, they saw this. They saw this coming. They knew that Nigeria will get worse. They knew Nigeria would be like this. That was why they were asking for a different country. Unfortunately, Gowon recently came out to confess that it was because of oil that that made them not to allow the Biafra to go, the old eastern region. let us wake up. Let's wake up to the reality. Because these people, this is not just normal terrorism or normal crime. This is an agenda. It's a conquest. They want Nigeria to turn into a Sharia state. Everybody has put hand on desk. Everybody that have this ideology that believe in this, they have put their hands on decks to make sure that this thing will be actualized. Anyway, it is not for people to think or believe what is around them, because everybody is going to pay the price.
That they are the ones who are causing the insecurity. That's why I tell you, Gumi is not foolish. Gumi said something that I can never forget. He said, there's no terrorist that is not known to the federal government. They have their phone numbers. So Akpabio knows that maybe they have called them and said, please, let there be terrorism until after the election. Because the terrorists also help them distract your attention from real socio-political issues. So he's telling you that his friends will go on vacation after 2 weeks, after the election. They are friends. They are partners that are holding you to ransom. And how many times do they need to confess to you before you know? I'm just telling you now, they are trying Malami here in this federal record for supporting terrorists. They have the evidence. UAE sent evidence. America sent evidence. Even we ourselves here, we know the terrorists when we see them. Most of you know your neighbors who are terrorists. We know those in government who are terrorists. And officially, political parties in this country have declared a terrorist organization in Canada.